Good evening, everyone. So, our topic today is money does not rule the world. Now, we have to understand this very clearly that most of us have a misconception that without money nothing can happen. We have to understand that money is only a transacting tool, and everything what we are using here has been given to us by the nature, and the nature is neutral to everyone. But the problem is when human beings say that something belongs to him, or when they demand ownership of something given by the nature which is common to all, it is then we have the valuation of everything in the nature. Now, if I ask someone that whether a neem tree is more important than a mango tree, then the answer would be both are equally important. Similarly, everything and everyone in this universe is equally important. And for this, we have to clearly understand that money does not do anything on its own. Money is an inert object. Now, God or nature never said to us that we should value a thing more than the other thing. If I say that mud is less important than diamond, which means I am going to value diamond more than mud. But there are many areas in life where we cannot use diamond. Similarly, there are many areas in life where we cannot use mud. So both are equally important. This is what we forget in life, and it is because of this the whole world is suffering because of competition, high valuation, there is poverty and there is misery. People are cheating and deceiving each other. There is scams, financial scams, and so on. We have to clearly understand. Uh, so I repeat once again that money does not rule the world. It is human mentality to lord over the material nature which rules the world. The tendency of human beings to accumulate more and more material things, the hankering for achieving more than the other individual, the competitive attitude, the anger, the jealousy, the greed, these are the negative qualities which make us um, tensed, which make us depressed, which make us obsessed. And it is because of these negative tendencies in human being that we are all suffering in this world. So if I say that a particular product which has come out of nature is more important than the other product, then I am doing injustice to the nature's creation, because in nature everything is perfect and everything is equally important. So to value a particular product less than the other product itself is a sin, because all products are equally important. As if I say, is rice more important or wheat, then both are equally important. It depends upon the amount of growth on that particular month or time, but um, it has to be equally distributed. This unequal distribution is the cause of poverty. And to add to it, it is not that individuals do not take effort in life. Everybody has some given talent and given ability which they are trying to utilize. But the question is whether they are being rewarded for it or not. If they are not being rewarded for it, they are said to be useless in this society, which is not the right approach to life. So every individual is equally important, every individual's needs are equally important, and the basic needs of all individuals is the same. So to many of the philanthropics say that it's because of the planetary influences. Yes, planets only map our circumstances, planets only map our attitude, planets only map our qualities and abilities. They do not say that we should differentiate between one and the other. All that has been created by us because of ignorance. If we understand the creation, if we understand the universe, then this problem would not arise. A coconut tree is equally important as a mango tree. So a coconut and a mango cannot be valuated at different prices. Yes, what can be done is, if there are just 10 coconuts as a produce, that can be distributed among 100, and if mangoes are 100, then it can be distributed each to 100. That is what we are supposed to do. Yes, for removing, for climbing up the coconut tree and taking the coconuts, or removing the mangoes, human effort is required, and there we can utilize human beings and share with each other. If we don't do so, there will be a chaos in the society. It is true with each and every product in this material nature. So the cause of problem is we ourselves. It's not the divine, or it's not God. It's just because we are not able to see the bigger picture of life, we end up in such a trouble. So I repeat once again, money does not rule the world. It is human beings, human mentality which rules the world. The people in the West are trying to exploit, they want to dominate, and that's the reason they use various methods to keep that domination intact, and this is why things get spoiled in this world. So even the unemployment, the word unemployment is illogical, because everybody is employed in some or other way. Even a person who enjoys the nature outside is also employed. Yes, if he is honored for his talents, then automatically he would be useful to the society in some way, because nobody would like to be uh, nobody would like to face failure in life. They want to do something, they want to contribute to the society, and this is inherent in each and every individual. But there are few people who are diseased and who are incapable. Those are exceptions, but major of the portion, major percentage of the public want to contribute in some way. But it's when we start exploiting others, thinking that this universe or this world is um, anything can be done in this world, it is then the whole problem starts. So we have to understand that there is nothing called unemployment, and there is nothing called economic and non-economic activity. Every activity is divine, because it is being conducted by divine, it is being done because of the divine. So an activity for which it is rewarded is called economic activity today, and an activity which is not rewarded is called a non-economic activity. In reality, it is non-economic activity which is going to make us spiritual. But today, if people do not do any economic activity, the so-called economic activity, then they are considered to be useless. So this is a problem, and it has to be understood and sorted out by uh, noble people with noble mind who wants the growth of the society all over the world.